Oh my holy okay, so I've been waiting for this cube for like 3 months now, okay? Like ever since I seen J-Prim's video about it, and then TC Cubes, and then Paradox, I was like, oh shoot, this cube's coming out soon, and I am hyped. But it's been 3 months since then, and people are just starting to get the cube, and my hype has kinda died down, but that doesn't mean I'm still not hyped, and let's make a video about it. Now this cube did come out late, and Speaky Shop did send out a little apology explaining why it came out late. If you want to read it, just pause the video, read it over here, I guess. Now if you did read it, you would have figured out that they sent some free lube, okay? So this is their new solar lube. I didn't even know that they haven't even released it yet, but I will be testing it on this cube after I unbox it. So let's unbox it. Alright, here it is, and geez, this packaging is freaking amazing. Like, look at this. Okay, so it's this really nice white box, MGC. You slide it open, you see over here, and then you just open this up and you see the cube. Alright, just get this cube out, and here it is. Wow, look at that. Alright, let's just move that out of the way. And here's the cube. Wow, okay, so first thing that you're going to notice, there's no squared off corners, and then there's primary internal stickers. It's like these little cheese shades. A little MGC logo, looks really nice. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's do the first turns. Alright, not bad. So first thing you're going to notice, the speed is really average. So this is definitely one of the slower 3x3s out there, which is a refreshing change of pace. And I mean, like, yeah, it's not too fast, which I kind of like. Because there's no square off corners, it is slightly more fluid than most 2x3s. Although there is a small little corner cutting problem, you can see over here. It doesn't corner cut, which means it will catch a little bit when it's not aligned. Surprisingly, even though there's magnets, the cube isn't that stable. Like, it's stable, okay, but I mean, it's still a little bit wobbly. And like compared to, for example, my Cosmic Little Magic M, it's not as stable. As for the feel, it kind of feels like YJ's Yulong. Like, it's kind of papery, it has that weird kind of feeling when you corner cut. I don't know, it feels like a Yulong, and I really like that. It's definitely a more modernized version of the Yulong, but it still reminds me of it. Alright, well, how about we just take a look at the pieces. Here's the corner piece. You can see it has little magnets on each side. Pretty normal looking design. Other than that though, kind of looks like a Hualong. Even though there's no square off corners, you can see that there's still a bit of a square off corner look to it. A little spiky up here, which is pretty cool. There's little extrusions going on over here. Yeah, pretty interesting. Then here's the edge. Oh, this one looks cool. So you can see primary only goes up to around here. Then it just has black plastic. That looks really cool. Magnets on both sides. Torpedo's quite large. This part doesn't really go too far out. Other than that, pretty normal. Let's just try some of the lube now. So this solar lube, apply 4 drops, break in, and enjoy. Alright, so I put in 4 drops, and kind of break in and enjoy it now. I think I just made it slower. Yeah, this cube just feels slower, and the thing is that this cube isn't even that fast in the first place. So I don't really like it on this cube. But I'm pretty sure if I got a cube that was uncontrollable and I used this, I think it would be pretty good. But yeah, it does not work for the MGC. So I think solar lube, it really just makes the cube more controllable, really. And the thing is, this is completely controllable, and I didn't need that. So overall thoughts on this cube. So considering that it's $15, this cube is crazy. Just like the freaking unboxing experience and everything, and like the fact that this is a really good out-of-the-box magnetic 3x3 with good stickers and a high-quality design, and it looks really cool and everything. Like, I really can't ask for more from a $15 3x3, and I think that this is like the perfect cube for anyone to get, because this is by far the best price 3x3 I've ever seen. And yeah, like if you want just a good speed cube, whether you're new to cubing or you've been cubing for a long time, like, this thing won't let you down, and I highly recommend it. Anyways, that's all for this unboxing of the YJ MGC. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe. That's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.